Hello friends, welcome to Zogo Network for the people by the people, and this is the first ever fully decentralized global powerline auto pool income. I will explain this plan detail in this video. This is better than Powerline, Goldwine, on Ornex while and like that. I will explain why in below detailed section. Okay. So this Zogo network is a decentralized peer-to-peer global powerline networking system built on Ethereum blockchain technology. The system is simple and there is no company behind this system, and there is no admin behind this system, and this is 100% decentralized and 100% transparent and unerasable, uncheatable, and everyone wins. So the people who runs the plan is they are the owner of this plan. There is no individual company behind this backend. Okay. So what does a decentralized mean? Decentralized means there is no local control over the system. So the people those who are using they only control the system. That is called decentralized. And these are the advantages of using Zogo. This is an unstoppable protocol and it is based on Ethereum smart contract, and there is a minimum startup of only 0.1 Ethereum, and a peer-to-peer multi-payment you will get instantly once the account is login. The system is decentralized, so you can't hack the system, and here the minimum entry is only 0.1, and there is no just a Ponzi scheme like we are getting high returns like that. There is no advertisement on this, and there are only 7 auto pool income, and for this 7 auto pool income you need only 19 users, and you can earn unlimited Ethereum based on this and unlimited referral bonus. So this is how to start a Zogo network. In order to create an account in Zogo, you have to get an account in MetaMask or Trust Wallet. On both this I will give separate video. So first you have to backup your 12 backup key phrase so that no one will hack your system. Okay. So to earn auto pull you need to refer only one person. That is more than enough to get income up to 7 level. Okay. And up to from auto level 2 to 7 there is no need for direct referral. So this is the one important advantages in Zogo network. This is the referral commission. For level 1 you will get 50%, for level 2 you will get 25%, level 3 you will get 15%, and level 4 10%. So this is the referral commission you get for your affiliate. And apart from that, as I earlier told, there are 7 auto pull and 19 users globally. So from auto pull 2 to 7 as a re-entry smart contract method, so that pot of earnings will be again go to a rebirth ID, so that everyone earns in this system. They mentioned no more eat and run, as in most of the MLM companies top leader they will earn and they will go out of the system. So the people those who are coming at last they will be getting not paid huge revenue. In the system it is not like that. So it is like a single line auto filling concept. Okay. So this is the affiliate commission as I earlier told. Level 1 50%, level 2 25%, level 3 15%, level 4 10%. So for auto pull 1 you have to invest one time of 0.1 Ethereum. So this is the auto pull income. So every time when the ID is getting renewed, that is a rebirth ID, again you will get level 50% from your direct referrals, and from your second referral you will get 25%, from your third referral you will get 15%, and for your fourth referral you will get 10%. This is all the commission for your rebirth entry. So this is the how the auto pull works in Powerline. That is a Powerline Zogo. So this is the entry. You have to invest 0.1 Ethereum. So after 3 members universally joined in auto pull 2, you will get a profit of 0.3 Ethereum, and 50% earning, that is 0.15 Ethereum will go to rebirth ID, and after 3 members join you will get 0.45 in auto pull third. In auto pull 4 you will get 0.6, and that from 0.6 0.25 will go to rebirth ID, and at the end of a fifth auto pull you will get 0.75, and out of 0.75, 0.35 will go to rebirth ID, and in auto pull 6 you will get 1.05 Ethereum, and out of 1.05 Ethereum, 0.5 Ethereum will go to rebirth, and you will get a profit of 1.5 Ethereum. So you are investing only 0.1 Ethereum, and you have to sponsor one people, so that you will get 1.5 Ethereum at the end of 7 auto pull. Okay, so this is how the auto pull 2 works. Okay, no need for direct referral, only have to, in auto pull 1 you have to refer only one person. So once you referred one person, automatically globally 3 joined user pays you 0.1 each Ethereum each, so that you will get 0.3 Ethereum as a profit in auto pull 2. Like that you will get for auto pull 3, auto pull 4, auto pull 5, auto pull 6, auto pull 7. Okay, there is no need for direct referral. This is the important terms and condition. So one referral is more than enough to get auto pull income up to 7 level. So this is a chart of our auto pull 3. So entry is 0.3 Ethereum. So globally for 3 joining you will get 0.1 Ethereum. So total profit is 0.45 Ethereum, and system automatically reinvest 0.3 Ethereum into system, and you will get 0.15 Ethereum as a profit. So this is auto pull 4. For each entry 0.4 Ethereum you will get. Okay, so 3 globally joined user pays you 0.2 Ethereum each, so you will get a profit of 0.6 Ethereum, and system automatically reinvest 0.4, so that you will get 0.2 as a profit. In this fifth auto pull, 3 globally joined user pays you 0.25 Ethereum each, so that you will get 0.75 Ethereum profit. System automatically reinvest 0.5, so that you will get 0.25 as your profit. In global auto pull 6, 3 global joined user pays you 0.35 Ethereum each, so that total Ethereum you collected will be 1.05, and system will automatically reinvest 0.7, so your profit will be 0.35. In auto pull 7, you will get 0.5 Ethereum for each auto pull IDs, so you will get 1.5 Ethereum from all the IDs. So system automatically reinvest 1 Ethereum into the system, so that you will get 0.5 as a profit in auto pull 7. So this is the chart how we will get a profit in each auto pull. As I earlier told, there is for auto pull 1 you have to refer one person in order for the qualify for the next level auto pull incomes. In auto pull 2 you will get 3 global users automatically, that is a global joiners will be automatically placed under you. So you will get 3 into 0.1 is your profit will be 0.3, and in auto pull 3 you will get 0.4, and auto pull 4 you will get 0.6. In 5 you will get 0.7, in 6 you will get 1.05, and 7 you will get 1.5 Ethereum. So this is the unlimited Ethereum profit. Again and again system will run. So this is minimum run for a 3 to 4 years, so no need to worry. This is just only more than 50 IDs crossed in India. So thanks for watching our video. If you want to join in our plan, just call me or WhatsApp me in my number 8248715027. Thank you friends.